We're in the lab for the physics bus, the cage. Learning hands-on skills is definitely very important. None of my other courses are anything like this. Oh, that's the field where you have to like do calculus all the time. I know a whole lot more about drilling and soldering and things like that than I did at the start of the semester. There's a lot of stuff you can do with just realizing, hey, this is the way pieces of our world interact, and it's really fascinating. I mean, it's important that we understand the world we live in. It's great, I think, for me to learn about the community. I don't just live on Cornell's campus, I live in Ithaca, and having a way to interact with that is really, really valuable.